make you move left and right. 그게 누구든지 make you move left and right. 몸 body 우리가 걸린 yeah yeah. It's good. Are you ready? Yeah yeah.
Alright. Hello, beautiful people. I am back with another reaction, and today I'm gonna be checking out the Beep Beep dance practice by BTOB. This one has been requested, so I'm actually intrigued to see. This looks like it's all members, so including Ilhoon. I've actually never heard Beep Beep, so this is gonna be interesting. But before I forget, please do not forget to check out my Patreon page, where I have things like behind the scenes of music videos, documentaries, K-dramas, variety shows, and more. I just did the behind the scenes of the Chick Chick Boom Stray Kids music video under the Chill Squad tier, which is $3 a month. There is also FREE content over there as well that you guys can get. But until then, let's go ahead and get into this video. Oh, okay.
Action.
We're just coming right in it.
Action.
Hold on. I can't see. Oh, look at Yancy. Look at them. Look at them. It's so weird seeing them like, I mean, they weren't kids, but it's like, I don't know, it's baby B2B. Oh my lord, look at Unkwang's hair. I think I saw that this was 10 years ago. This is very 2014. Very secondhand serenade. What the? He did not just do the. He did not just do the Harlem Shake. Like the. And do the Harlem. He did not just do that. Ooh, okay.
나는 오늘도 네 생각에 눈물이 나요. 답답해 운전을 하다가 흘러나오는 음악에 띠빵빵 hey yeah
Look at them. Hold up. I'm gonna get back to him. Look at him in the back. Where's my mouse? Here it is. Look at him in the back, just creeping. Like, yeah, come on. You know what? Sorry, Unkwang.
채로 경적만 울려 내 방방 내 출발은 기본 고속도로 왕가운데 이리 시위라도 벌어볼까 해나 모르겠다 들테면 쳐봐라 난 그냥 늘었다 미쳐버리면 척이라도 해야 네가
See, there they go with that.
돌아올까 사태가 심각해 근처왕
Hold up, I cut it down to. I cut it. Wait, let me see that in full. Hold on.
이리 시위라도 벌어볼까 해나 모르겠다 들테면 쳐봐라 난 그냥 늘었다 미쳐버리면 척이라도 해야 네가 돌아올까 사태가 심각해 근처왕 다리를 찾아 그래봤자 소리만 빽 지르고 말겠지 오가
So Hooter was showing out even then. So this. Okay, I'm gonna try to. That's gonna be my ending shot. There we go. So they've always been really into 90s music, or they've always been inspired by it. Okay. So I actually enjoy. This is my first time hearing the song too. They got, oh man, they got me wanting to play my bass now. They got me wanting to pop that out. But yes, that was, I loved it. It's so weird seeing like fetus B2B. I don't know how to explain it, but absolutely fantastic. Please do not forget to like and subscribe, and I will see you guys in the next video. All right, bye guys.
Tell me what you wanna stop energy. Make it move left and right. You can do good, make it move left and right.